Now we're going to look at investments in associates. You will remember we have indicated that an investment in an associate should be recognized using our equity method. Therefore, guys, please refer to this purple block. We will talk about our equity method. Initially, we need to recognize the investment at cost. Now, what does this mean, guys? On your left-hand side, I'm going to include the journals. Therefore, debit the investment at cost. Remember, this is in your group. And credit bank or liability. Second, we need to allocate the retained earnings. If we allocate retained earnings, our investment increase. The investment increase on the debit side. This is an asset. Therefore, debit the investment in the associate in our statement of financial position and credit the retained earnings. Third step, guys, we need to remember our profit for the current year. How do we do this, guys? We will have to debit our investment in associate, and what do we credit? We credit our line item profit share of our associate in our profit and loss. And number 4, distribution of dividends will reduce the carrying amount. Now guys, if we say reduce, this is an asset. The asset decrease on the credit side. Therefore, we will credit our investment in associate and we will debit our other income. Okay, so guys, important. When we refer to only the parent, guys, this total, this dark purple total of our parent, the line investment in associate. Remember, our parent can choose to account for this investment either 1 at cost, 2 IFRS 9 or 3 equity method. If our parent and our group accounts for the investment based on equity method, do you agree with me that the total in our parents' records will then agree to the total in our group? Okay. Now guys, important, this is only a line item. Do you see? There is no column included for our associate. This is only a line item, an asset that either increase or decrease. Okay guys, therefore if you look at this, this is what you need to know, the line item. When you refer to your profit and loss statement, you will identify there is share of profit or loss attributable to our associate or JV. Remember guys, if we have a JV, we will equity account in our group as well. Again, do you see guys, there's no column included. It's only a line item. I want you to refer to our statement of changes in equity. Now guys, is there a line item or a column relating to our associate? No. Why not? Let's look at the journals again. Remember, we've included this on our left-hand side in the purple. First journal, we've debited the investment, credit, bank, and liabilities. Guys, we credit the retained earnings and we debit our associates' investment. Therefore, guys, there is no line item relating to our investment in associate. This retained earnings section is to account for the investment, and you need to take that into account in your opening balance of your retained earnings. Okay. Now I want you to refer to the analysis of owner's equity. Remember guys, You can choose if you want to make use of an analysis of owner's equity. I like to do this. This helps me to ensure that I include all of the information. However, it's not necessary. You will remember, based on our lectures, that we have indicated that you will not journal goodwill separately. Why? Because the investment is carried at cost on initial purchase date. However, when there is a bargain purchase, you will have to include the journal. And I have already included our journals that we have explained when we looked at our statement of financial position. Important, guys, that if you need to calculate only the investment in associate balance and you do not have to present, that this will be number one, your cost, this dark purple, plus the movement, your since and your current year. Therefore, this will be A and B. And this A plus B will be your total of your investment in your statement of financial position. Now, please refer to the disclosure section. Guys, you can read through this. I'm just recapping this information to ensure that you remember to study this. We've got our IFRS 12 note of our associates and our joint ventures. You need to include the name, the percentage, how a contractual arrangement, and the fact that this is equity method, what is included, and important, a summary of the financial information. And you need to include 100% of the figures.